Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Canon G3010 printer to a wireless network. First, ensure your printer is powered on and positioned near your Wi-Fi router for optimal signal strength. Confirm you have your wireless network name and its password readily available. This preparation makes the setup process much smoother and helps avoid common delays. Now, locate and press the menu button on your printer's control panel. Use the arrow keys to scroll down until you see the Wi-Fi setup option, then press OK. You will then choose between standard setup or WPS depending on your preferred connection method. Selecting the right option here is your first step towards getting connected. If you chose WPS, simply press the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router, usually within 2 minutes, then confirm on the printer's display. For standard setup, use the arrow keys to find your specific network name from the displayed list. Once selected, carefully input your network's password using the printer's numeric keypad. This ensures a secure and correct connection to your home network. After connecting, the Wi-Fi lamp on your printer should light up steadily, confirming a successful link to your network. To be absolutely sure, print a test page directly from your computer or mobile device. If you encounter any problems, try restarting both your printer and your Wi-Fi router and carefully re-enter your network password. Most connection issues are easily resolved with these simple steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.